Dr. Pruthi is there, Dr. K.P. Srivastava is there, Sanjay, Dr. Anil Jain.
I request all our dignitaries to be sitting around. All our delegates, can we have you all in our hall? Could you call your friends inside? We'll start our proceedings for the valedictory session today of the IACON 2013. Our Honorable President, Dr. S.K.S. Maria, is just around the corner and he would be in any time. Now this is an occasion to thank each other for what happens to be the biggest event on the calendar for Orthopedic India and a change of guard to take us into a stronger and rosy future. Well, our President is not here. We would have wanted him to be here on the first go. But well, after that, in our very deserving President-elect, we have an academician par excellence, the person behind the rise in impact factor and recognition of IJO, that is the Indian Journal of Orthopedics worldwide, that he has nurtured for 6 years as editor. I take the pleasure in inviting Dr. Anil Jain to his place on the dais. Welcome you, sir. A ship requires a tough and a good navigator, and Indian orthopedics has one for the crux post of Secretary IOA, one who is feared by all concerned cancerous tissue. I would request Dr. Sudhir Kapoor to take his rightful place on the dais, sir. In our newly elected President-elect, we have a man with perseverance and resilience as a role model for orthopedic surgeons. I invite Dr. H.R. Jhunjhunwala to join us on the dais. Now, when we speak of Agra, our heart takes pride from a patron who is one of the most decorated and awarded orthopedic surgeons in the country, a father figure to most of us, a sculptor of fresh, new, n number of orthopedicians, the strong big rock in the seas. He has taught us the meaning of the couplet. कौन कहता है कि आसमान में छेद हो नहीं सकता, एक पत्थर तो तबीयत से उछालो यारो. Work hard, keep trying. That has been his motto. I will call upon our doyen, Professor K.P. Srivastava, to the dais. जिसके रहनुमा हो दोस्त आप जैसे, भला उसे अंधेरे और आंधियां डराएं कैसे. The lighthouse built on that rock, the man who has shown that a perfect symphony can only be played by an orchestra, the mark of unity and strength, and the one who has brought the act together. I take pleasure in inviting our organizing chairman, Dr. K.K. Pruthi, to the dais. जरूरी तो नहीं कि इंसान प्यार की मूरत हो, जरूरी तो नहीं कि इंसान खूबसूरत हो, पर सबसे सुंदर वो इंसान है जो आपके साथ हो जब आपको जरूरत हो. In our joint organizing chairman, we have a man for all seasons and occasions, the man on whose broad shoulders the weight of the conference has rested. I invite our Captain Cool, Dr. Ashok Vij, to the dais. He has recently been elected unopposed as President of the UP Orthopedic Association 2014. And that is keeping the tradition of Agra alive after the same feat by Dr. K.P. Srivastav, Dr. Anil Varshney, and Dr. K.K. Pruthi, who have all been unopposed past presidents. We now have the multifaceted, multi-talented, the charming secretary, UPUA, who is ever willing to take fresh responsibilities and show his superb executions, and that is Dr. Atul Srivastav. He has brought along with him a fresh new surge to the academic calendar of UPUA, resulting in UP winning the A.K. Gupta Trophy for Best State Chapter in the very first year of his secretaryship. We're pleased to have you on the dais, Dr. Atul Srivastav. Well, अब तो जिसको देख करके अगर डायनामो भी घबरा जाए, even Rajnikant would learn from his firm and quick decision making. Our dynamic and vibrant force in the conference, our organizing secretary, even his in-depth knowledge of IT can put quite a few IT specialists to shame. I will call upon Dr. Sanjay Chaturvedi to take his rightful place on the dais. Money makes the mayor go. जिनके बगैर चक्का जाम हो जाए, the treasurer of IACON, I request Dr. Atul Kushresht to take his seat on the dais. The pillars of strength of Agra Orthopedic Society. I invite the President, Agra Orthopedic Society, to the dais. Dr. J.K. Jain, please. And the Secretary of Agra Orthopedic Society, Dr. Ajay Gupta, is invited to take his place on the dais. I'll hand over the session to our Secretary, Dr. Sudhir Kapoor. You can take us forward on the journey, sir.
Well, very good morning. We'll have little change of items. I'm awaiting the arrival of the President. I think we can first go to opinion of the delegates who have come from all over India. What have their experience been regarding this conference? Traditionally, we have request to people from all the zones, North Zone, West, South, East and Central, to come and give their views, and if possible, if some foreign dignitary is there, he can also come and speak. So I think we'll start with that item first, and I would request that somebody from North, who better than Dr. Yadav, can start the things.
Well, friends, all good things come to an end, and we had a wonderful meeting. There is no doubt about it, and a lot of efforts had been put in for this meeting by the Agra Orthopedic Society and the UP chapter of IAA. There is no doubt that they have laid a yardstone which is difficult for the next person to cross. And for this, I must thank Dr. Srivastav, Dr. Pruthi, and the dynamic, not dynamite, dynamic Sanjay Chaturvedi for making this an absolute success. And ladies and gentlemen, I would like to take an opportunity that these gentlemen and all others on the dais who have been working day and night, that work would have not been possible without the help of their dear better house. And I would like to them to stand and give a standing ovation for the better halves of these dynamic people who have made this conference a great success.
Yes.
This is for the ladies who have allowed these men to work round the clock to make this meeting a great success. No doubt it was a wonderful meeting, and thank you very much, Dr. Kapoor, for giving me an opportunity to speak.
Thank you, sir.
Dr. Maria.
Sir, I will just take a break again. I will abut again. Sir, I would just, we have a president here. Don't be taken in by the pleasant and charming exterior of our present IOA. We have a leader of leaders who leads from the front untiringly, the strong man of Indian orthopedics, with a witty mind behind his tongue, a man in front of whom all weak knees become strong. And we already have him on the dais. We welcome you, sir. Sir, as you are here, as the quorum is complete, we in between had a short presentation of a journey through the preparations and executions of IOCON 2000. If you would permit me, we can start off on that and then we can have your expertise on the dais, sir.
Well, next, anybody from South? Anybody who's present from South can come and give his opinion or his views about his experience in this conference. I'm not seeing anybody. Anybody from eastern part? Yes.
Respected past presidents, dignitary of the dais, what do we expect from the conference? Conference, we expect good food, good academics, and time management. Everything we have got here. So I thank the organizing committee, organizing team, Sanjay Chaturvedi and his team for this effort. I congratulate them. Thank you.
Yes, anybody from West? No, actually it is open to everybody. I mean, come, yes.
Good morning, President sir, Secretary sir, my respected teachers and audience in the hall. I have observed that this conference is not less than in any sense than the Jaipur, except a little more area in the Jaipur. Otherwise, it has rather improved in Jaipur that there was no restriction for any kind of food, even that the evening a dignified dinner that was later on permitted for all also. They are really thankful and appreciable, and as far as scientific material concerned, it was excellent, no doubt at all, and everything has been taken so nicely regarding the registration. There was no problem, no hassleness, any kind of, and I hope this is up to my expectation better. And I will try to do something more better than this, keep in the mind that the coming conference is the Jubilee conference. I hope I will not not disappoint you. Thank you, sir.
We know that. But 2 or 3 more people can come. Whoever wants to come can come and express his views.
I am Dr. Ompal Sharma from Himachal Pradesh. So I should appreciate the efforts by Dr. Sanjay Chaturvedi regarding the, otherwise in previous conferences we have to carry heavy bulk of books, souvenir, then those, but this time I am thankful to him that he has made those things all compact so we can carry them home and then we can see. And it was very nice to see that everything was sent exactly on emails also and through SMS. So for that I congratulate Dr. Sanjay Chaturvedi and his team. Thank you.
Dr. Raja.
Well, what can I say? I have been taken down memory lane, 2004, when the Indian Orthopedic Association and all these people who are sitting on the dais, we all worked hand in hand like brothers. And all these people from Agra are like my brothers, with one person, the doyen of Agra Orthopedic Society, Dr. K.P. Srivastav, to guide us all, Dr. Puthi, who was like an elder brother to me in 2004, and we had the same conference here. I just want to say that this team is the most wonderful city team that you can have anywhere in the country. That's the only thing I want to say for them. Hats off to them, and I would applaud this team in a huge way. You cannot have a better team than this. I've seen it twice, 2004, 2013. Lot of things they wanted to do last time also, which because of the IOA restrictions and all that, they were not free to do it. And whenever I was discussing with them, तो पुथी साहब यही हमारे को बोलते रहे कि यही तो हम फ्रीडम चाहते थे जो आपने तब हमको नहीं दी थी करने की, जो हम कर दिखाए हैं. हैट्स ऑफ टू दिस टीम.
Yes.
Hi. Hello, senior members. I am Dr. Madan Mohan Trivengda. I'm from UK. I've come as a foreign faculty as a delegate as well. That's a good thing. I've seen, it's a long time I've been to India, so more than 10 years now. It's been a wonderful day, but even though it's my first day as well. A lot of people talk good things, so that's a good thing about that as well. I do appreciate as well. There's one small thing I just want to mention this morning. I've been flown from all the way from UK, taking 2 days for me to travel here to Agra. It's been a pleasant experience. My presentation was in Hall C this morning. When I went there, to be honest, there was nobody to chair the session. Nobody was literally there. And my colleague who is from Australia, and he came forward to chair the session. And that was a slight bit of disappointment for me as well, because traveling all the way, I did expect some bit of this thing. That was the one thing which was disappointing. Otherwise, I think it's a great conference. Okay, thank you.
Myself, Dr. Neeraj from Jhansi. Everything was excellent in this conference. One thing I must congratulate to the team that the green theme, almost nil paperwork, only mails, SMS. Keep it up for next conferences also. I really appreciate this theme.
Thank you. Any younger colleague from the back before we wind up this particular item? Any younger colleague? Any postgraduate present here? Would like to say something? Please come. Announce your name also and the place.
नमस्कार, मैं डॉक्टर राहुल कसवा, PGIMS रोहतक से SR हूँ. मैं अभी IOA का मेंबर मैंने अभी इसमें कर रखा है. IOA का मेंबर मैं हो जाऊँगा, तो इसलिए कल जनरल बॉडी मीटिंग में मैं नहीं बोल पाया. आज एज ए जनरल मैं काफ़ी यंग हूँ, आप बड़े लोग हैं, मेरे टीचर्स हैं. कल जो हो रहा था, जैसे बिड लगती है 2 साल बाद में कहाँ पे IOA कॉन्फ्रेंस होगी, तो यूजुअली इसको थोड़ा अपन एडजस्ट करें कि चारों कोनों में ईस्ट वेस्ट नॉर्थ साउथ आइडियली चारों में रोटेट होता रहे. जयपुर में भी हो चुका था, पहले बॉम्बे में भी हो चुका है. एक सीनियर डॉक्टर हरदयाल सिंह जी आके अमृतसर में कराने के बोल रहे थे कि 97 में उनको IOA के हेड ने कहा था कि भी प्रॉमिस किया था कि आप जब कहेंगे उनको देंगे. तो मैं ये सोचता हूँ कि भी अगर मैं बॉम्बे से होता या जयपुर से होता तो मैं शायद पीछे हट जाता कि सर इस बार प्लीज़ आप अमृतसर में कराइए. ये काफ़ी अच्छी बात है कि अमृतसर में आज तक नहीं हुई थी. तो इसी तरह अगर IOA के जो हेड हैं वो इस चीज़ को सोचें कि भी ईस्टर्न में आसाम में हो, गुवाहाटी में हो, और फिर अगली बार वेस्ट में हो, नॉर्थ में, साउथ में, अगली बार नॉर्थ का नंबर 4 साल बाद आएगा. और जो बिड है वो अगर नॉर्थ का है तो नॉर्थ की बिड लगे, उसमें नॉर्थ के लोग आगे आए. अब साउथ के लोग यहाँ तक हर बार नहीं आ पाएंगे. अगर हमको कहें कि हर बार चेन्नई जाओ, वहाँ जाओ, हम नहीं जा पाएंगे. तो अगर ऑल ओवर इंडिया इट रोटेट, तो ये बहुत अच्छी बात होगी. इस चीज़ को अगर आप बड़े लोग हैं, आप समझते हैं, तो मैं अपने भावुक ज़्यादा हूँ, मैं आम आदमी की तरह मैं जुड़ा हुआ हूँ. मैं एक सख्त ईमानदार हूँ. डॉक्टर सांगवान मेरे वाइस चांसलर थे, उनकी यूनिट में हूँ, तो मैं बहुत ईमानदार आदमी हूँ. तो मैं ये चाहता हूँ कि ये चीज़ को सोचें और इसको करें. थैंक यू.
धन्यवाद डियर. हम सब लोग कॉमन आदमी हैं, आपसे डिफरेंट नहीं है. केवल इतना कहना चाहूँगा कि जो भी हम फैसला करते हैं GBM ही फैसला करती है, तो हम लोग फैसला नहीं कर रहे हैं. जनरल बॉडी मीटिंग जैसा चाहती है वैसा किया जाता है. और एक बात हमको और देखनी पड़ती है कि जिस भी सिटी में ये कॉन्फ्रेंस करना चाहते हैं उस सिटी में पूरी फैसिलिटीज़ हैं कि नहीं है. उस हिसाब से ये 2 बातें मैटर करती हैं. वो सिटी जहाँ पर ऐसी कॉन्फ्रेंस होल्ड करने के लिए पूरी फैसिलिटीज़ हैं और हमारी GBM ने क्या कहा है. अगर और कोई हमारा कोई मंशा नहीं होता है. I think I want to say something. You were the last one.
Sir, my name is Dr. Jan Basha. I'm a postgraduate from Usmania Medical College, Hyderabad, sir.
Good.
I have been seeing two conferences, the Chennai one and this one. These look far, far better than that, and especially for postgraduates, I'm an exam-going postgraduate, and so many topics covered, especially the advanced sciences paper. I learned a lot of things from you, and I'm thankful to all the faculty who taught us a lot of things, and I wish you, I congratulate for the grand success of your conference, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I think we now will come to the exact order of the agenda. The second agenda was short presentation of 7 minutes regarding journey through the preparation for the ICON. I hope who is giving this presentation?
Lord Vivekanand, तैयार हैं? आ जाओ.
We took this point. Our friend from UK, we have noted your point, and I'll assure you that we will try level best that this doesn't happen in the next time meeting. Your point is very valid, sir. Your point is very valid. We'll put in our best efforts that these things don't happen again. चलो कोई बात नहीं, फिर भी स्टिल आधा लगेगा कि सब लोग ड्राइव देना तो रेस्ट ऑब्वियसली अलग-अलग लेट आना है नहीं 10 मिनट तो चाय मिलेगी उसके बाद बहुत एडवांस्ड हुआ हाँ सर बिल्कुल ही बुला लीजिए वो कहेंगे कर दो क्या हो गया बेटा Should we go, we'll have the next agenda first. I think we can have the next agenda first. I mean, be comfortable.
Yes. Hello. This is preparation of IOCON 2013.
Good afternoon, everybody. This is a presentation for the working of this conference. And this is the video presentation. And this is the preparation part. This is our registration chairman, Mr. Chirag. This is the registration area.
Dr. Ruji, our organizing chairman, to give permission to start the meeting.
This is the meeting of the local organizing committee and our chairman and organizing secretary.
Organizing committee. How we can go for the parking management? These are the various layout for the parking as per the guidelines.
This is the presentation of parking area we were doing in the local committees. This is the chairman of E-Rex, Mr. Chirag, who helps us a lot in registration and his program, presentations, and see all the members of AOS sitting patiently and listening and giving their views. Then this is the preparation for the spouse area.
This is serious stuff.
LOC, this is one of the COC meetings attended by these dignitaries on the dais also. And this is the presentation by our fabricators, and meeting with our PCO, the professional conference organizers. Again, our organizing chairman explaining nitty-gritties, how to deal with small problems in the conference, telling us with his own experience. This is a scientific coordinator coordinating with the organizing secretary and discussing the details of the scientific program. Our LOC members all very patiently listening. This is our PCO, Mr. Manish, working very hard to make this conference a success. Makap Manish, where are you? Very dynamic secretary, explaining everything in detail. This is our cultural organizer, Mr. Vaibhav Chibbar. Vaibhav, where are you?
If they are not doing, that is the fault of that company or you. You are not taking proper use of them.
Spouse committee, working day and night for the spouse program, along with the professional organizers, discussing the details of gifts, details of program, giving their views, sometime in a excited way, sometime in a smiling way, sometime in an eating way. This is our chairman of the AOS explaining things about the parking. See, everything you do takes a lot of effort behind that, and we are trying to just show the amount of effort we put in these meetings.
There is no security reason, sir. Your own cars will be.
What we see today is an effort of 18 months of hard work. Dr. Sanjeev Vora, the pillar of strength for the hall management. Dr. Ashok Vij, never tiring to explain things and working the minutest details, where to put the signage, how to put the signage. One of our guest speakers. Thank you.
Now I'll request Dr. S.S. Mare, our president, to tell his views.
Honorable teachers, ladies and gentlemen, this has been a wonderful year for me, a year of learning and sharing. In particular, a year of huge amount of unity and friendship which has gone by. For that, I need to thank each one of you, each of the committees which has stood like pillars to propagate the platform. Specifically, our thanks go to the Agra Orthopedic Society, UP Orthopedic Association, Dr. Sudhir Kapoor for helping and guiding through with immense information and knowledge, Ramesh Pandey, IOA Executive Officer, for doing all the legwork at any given time. Friends, it's very easy and feels very nice when you say that this conference was better than the previous one. Thank you, but that is what the course of life should be. And we are looking at hindsight because last year was last year and this year we had the wisdom of hindsight. So there we cannot compare apples with oranges. We have to keep getting better. We have to keep removing the ruffles which come in the way, like we just heard a lack of a chairman on the last morning. These are things, these should come as momentary speed breakers and irritants which can be easily ironed out for the next year. Things can only get better from here. And I in myself am hugely in peace and comfort realizing that I am passing on the baton to somebody who I know will do a better job and who will keep this going and make it even better and leave a system for the future which will only see the flag of this organization flying high. I thank you for your support and thank you for your blessings. Thank you.
Well, now I am supposed to say something regarding this conference. The agenda says Secretary Ayod speaks. Well, every conference has its ups and downs. Mostly this has been up and up in this icon. One thing which was outstanding, rather two things which were outstanding were, the preparation started well in time. I think I have been associated with the last 8 conferences where Sanjay was very, very early to start with. And we were expecting to finish the scientific program 1 month in advance. I think things went little beyond his control, but he was the person who had started the earliest. Number 2, he is a very thorough disciplinarian. And sometimes he is not scared of telling things on face if he's not liking it or if it's not as per the rule book. Many people misunderstand him. I know him well, so there is no problem. But I must appreciate this quality of his. But my brotherly advice for him to mellow down. He can say the same things in other worlds also. But he has been a tremendously honest man. I have absolutely no doubts about that. Honesty and sticking to the rules is two things. Second thing I think has been mentioned by Dr. Raza already. Agra Orthopedic Society is an example. They are a varied group and dissensions within the group are known thing. But once they have taken a decision, even if somebody were dissented, that particular person will also come and do the same work for which he was not agreeing to. This particular unity I have found in very few societies. There is always the intra-city rivalries are known, but this is one group which has been able to overcome all those rivalries and work wonderfully well. No problem anywhere as far as the unity is concerned. Then a full marks to them. As a secretary, I take the responsibility of whatever little things have gone wrong in the scientific program, like my friend from UK present has shown. But we'll try to see that things get better. And with Dr. Jain along with me, who's also a lot of experience of arranging scientific program in ICON Delhi, or ICON Ghaziabad also, I think the things will be definitely better next time. Only thing is in the end, I was sometimes confused with Sanjay Chaturvedi's abbreviations, LOC, COC. It took me some time to understand them. But anyhow, he worked very, very well. And my heartiest thanks and congratulations to them, both of them. Now the next item on the agenda is organizing chairman Dr. K.K. Pruthi speaks.
आदरणीय अध्यक्ष महोदय, चयनित अध्यक्ष महोदय, चयनित अध्यक्ष महोदय, मेरे आदरणीय डॉक्टर के.पी. श्रीवास्तव साहब, मेरे साथियों, समक्ष आदरणीय वरिष्ठ अस्थि रोग विशेषज्ञ बंधु, मेरे समकक्ष अस्थि रोग विशेषज्ञ ट्रेड बंधुओं, मीडिया एंड प्रेस, आगरा ऑर्थोपेडिक सोसाइटी का ये सौभाग्य रहा है कि आपने हमको इस पुनीत अवसर के लिए चुना। तहे दिल से आगरा ऑर्थोपेडिक सोसाइटी आपकी आभारी है आभारी रहेगी। एक सैनिक की भांति आगरा ऑर्थोपेडिक सोसाइटी का नियमावली रही है कि एक आदर्श सैनिक को जब भी आईओए कोई कार्य देगी तो उसको भली भांति संपूर्ण तरह से करने का हम प्रयास करते रहेंगे। इस अधिवेशन में भी आपने हमसे जो जब कहा वो हमने किया, आपने जो चाहा वो हमने किया। आपके नियमों के अनुकूल यदि किसी परिवर्तन से हमको लगा कि ये चीज ज्यादा बेहतर हो सकती है तो आपके नियमों को ध्यान में रखते हुए उसमें हमने परिवर्तन करने का प्रयास किया और किसी हद तक हमने उसमें सफलता भी पाई। इन सब कार्यकलापों में बंधुओं, एक बुलंद दीवार की तरह डॉक्टर संजय चतुर्वेदी, ईमानदार संजय चतुर्वेदी खड़े रहे। इनका एक ही सिद्धांत रहा हर गोष्ठी में, या तो मुझे समझा दो या मुझसे समझ लो। Either you convince me or get convinced। अगर ये नहीं होगा तो इसके आगे दूसरे पॉइंट पर कोई बातचीत होगी नहीं। और इन सब के लिए जो हमारी टीम रही, जिसमें मैं किसी एक का नाम ले नहीं पाऊंगा इस अवसर पर, क्योंकि ये अपने आप में इतनी बुलंद टीम रही है, जिसको जो काम जब दिया गया उसने उस काम को तुरंत समाप्त किया और उसकी व्यवस्था की कि ये उनके अनुरूप, आशाओं के अनुरूप कार्यान्वित हो सके। एक मेरा निवेदन है सेंट्रल ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमेटी से और आप सब से। साइंटिफिक प्रोग्राम एक ऐसी चीज है जो किसी भी स्तर पर सेंट्रल बॉडी को ही उसको अरेंज करना चाहिए। ये साइंटिफिक प्रोग्राम का ऐसा मसला है जिसका हर पहलू मिनट टू मिनट का प्रोग्राम सेंट्रल कमेटी को, एग्जीक्यूटिव कमेटी को हमारी तय करना चाहिए। हम उनके निर्देशों का पालन करें, ये हमारा कर्तव्य होना चाहिए। और मुझे विश्वास है कि आने वाले सत्र के अध्यक्ष महोदय डॉक्टर जैन साहब इस विषय को गंभीरता से लेंगे। आप सुन नहीं रहे हैं जैन साहब? नहीं सुन रहे हैं? नहीं, लिख भी नहीं रहे हैं। मैं इतना सा आपसे निवेदन कर रहा हूं कि जो साइंटिफिक प्रोग्राम है, जिसके कि आप उस्ताद कहे जाते हैं, ये सेंट्रल ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमेटी, आई मीन एग्जीक्यूटिव कमेटी के तत्वावधान में ही इसका चयन, चिन्हित किया जाना और इसका पालन करना जो है आप ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमेटी पर छोड़ें। लेकिन इसके चयन करने में हम लोगों ने लगभग 1 महीने का समय लिया। बार बार आपसे संपर्क किया, बार बार उनको फिर ये नहीं आ रहे हैं, वो आ रहे हैं, वो नहीं आ रहे हैं, ये आ रहे हैं, ये 7 मिनट का होगा कि ये 5 मिनट का होगा। ये सारी चीजें मैं समझता हूं यदि आप भविष्य में इसको सेंट्रल ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमेटी, एग्जीक्यूटिव कमेटी ऑफ इंडियन ऑर्थोपेडिक्स एसोसिएशन को समर्पित कर दें तो शायद ऐसी शिकायतें जो आज हमको सुनने को मिली वो नहीं मिलेंगी। इन शब्दों के साथ अपनी सोसाइटी की ओर से मैं आप सबका धन्यवाद देता हूं आप लोगों ने यहाँ आकर जो इस भव्य आयोजन की शोभा में चार चांद लगाए हैं, वो आपकी अनुपस्थिति में हो नहीं सकते थे। मैं तहे दिल से आप सबका हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं, धन्यवाद करता हूं और विश्वास दिलाता हूं कि भविष्य में जब कभी आप आगरा ऑर्थोपेडिक सोसाइटी से किसी भी प्रकार के उत्तरदायित्व की अपेक्षा करेंगे तो आप उसमें हम सबको खरा पाएंगे। हम लोग पीछे नहीं हटेंगे, क्योंकि हमारे संस्थापक डॉक्टर के.पी. श्रीवास्तव साहब ने सबके खून में ये घुटी की तरह भर के रखा हुआ है। धन्यवाद सर।
I think though we have crossed the next agenda, but I have been just reminded that we didn't ask anybody from the trade to speak. If anybody from the trade wants to say something, he can. Anybody from the trade, if he wants to say something, please can. Otherwise, we'll go to the next agenda.
सर, इसके बाद डॉक्टर प्रूथी की चाहत थी कि कुछ भेंट समर्पित करें।
अच्छा। अच्छा।
Do we have Gunjan here?
लो सर, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਗਿਫਟ ਹੈ। पीछे जा रहा है मेरे ख्याल।
माइक दो।
मुझसे बोलो किसके लिए?
The gifts to President IOA, एक जरदोजी का जो आगरा की बहुत मशहूरियत है, ये एक तुच्छ सा गिफ्ट दिया जाएगा, कुछ मामूली से गिफ्ट जो आपके लिए है। दिस इज द जरदोजी वर्क ऑफ आगरा, बहुत मशहूर है। ये बात जताने के लिए कि हम आप सबके बहुत आभारी हैं। एंड और एक भेंट सेक्रेटरी साहब इंडियन ऑर्थोपेडिक एसोसिएशन के लिए। Zardozi work in Agra is very widespreadly known for its beautiful work, handcraft material.
Thank you so much, sir.
हम आपके आभारी हैं सर।
So if there's nobody from the trade who wants to speak, I'll request Dr. Sanjay Chaturvedi to speak about his experiences. इसके बाद हम इसको दे रहे हैं।
Thank you, sir. Thank you, IOA, for giving me opportunity to organize this conference. जैसा मैं पहले ही बोल चुका हूँ, GBM गाजियाबाद में जब मुझे मिला था, तब से ही मैंने एक प्लान सोचा था कि we must have many things in line, जिसमें जहाँ फेल हुआ डॉक्टर प्रूथी ने आप लोगों को बता ही दिया। साइंटिफिक साइड जिसके लिए मैं हरदम लड़ता रहा, उसमें थोड़ा सा फेलियर्स थे, बट हिकअप्स सब जगह आते हैं, करेक्शन हुआ। इस साल से जैसा आप लोगों ने खुद सपोर्ट करके चालू करवाया, दैट वाज आयोकॉन इनिशिएटिव फॉर प्रिवलेंस ऑफ ऑस्टियोआर्थराइटिस इन इंडियन पॉपुलेशन, जो पूरी स्टडी विल बी प्रेजेंटेड टू IOA इन नेक्स्ट एग्जीक्यूटिव मीटिंग। कंप्लीट स्टडी हम लोग प्रेजेंट कर देंगे। AOS में डॉक्टर प्रूथी साहब, हमारे एडवाइजर्स सब लोग जुटे हैं, उन लोगों ने, हमारी टीम, जॉइंट सेक्रेटरीज, चेयरमैन ऑफ वेरियस कमेटीज, हम लोगों की टीम इतनी बड़ी थी कि लगातार हम लोगों को 5 स्टार में ही बैठना पड़ता था या किसी होटल में, घर पे रखना मुश्किल ही हो चुका था। तो हम लोग कम से कम 45 लोग हर महीने एक बार कम से कम और कुछ और बीच में मिलते रहे, जिसके लिए मैं आगरा ऑर्थोपेडिक सोसाइटी का दिल से धन्यवाद देता हूं। इसके अलावा स्पाउस, जिसने आप लोगों का नारायणम प्रोग्राम बनाया, पूरा स्पाउस कमेटी का, इन लोगों ने पूरी तरीके से डेवलप किया, कंसीव किया और प्रोग्राम को रन किया। इसके लिए मैं स्पाउस कमेटी का भी धन्यवाद देता हूं। ट्रेड, जिसके बगैर शायद मैं अगर ये कहूँ कि असंभव है इस तरह की कॉन्फ्रेंस, तो अतिशयोक्ति नहीं होगी। ट्रेड पार्टनर्स का कंपल्सरी हम लोगों के साथ आना बहुत जरूरी था, जिसकी बाद ही हम लोग इस तरह की कॉन्फ्रेंस को कंसीव कर पाए। इसमें एक बहुत बड़ा सपोर्ट हम लोगों का जो टीसीआई थॉमस कुक ने दिया, एक ऐसी स्थिति पे जाने के बाद जब हम लोग पहले पीसीओ से बदल के दूसरे पीसीओ पे जा रहे थे। बहुत आसान लगता है कि एक पीसीओ कर लो सब काम हो जाएगा, मगर जब लड़ाइयां आना शुरू होती हैं तो कई चीजें कई जगह पे चेंज होती हैं। मगर टीसीआई ने पिछले नवंबर से लेके आज तक हम लोगों का साथ दिया और शायद थैंक यू लेटर तक ये साथ देंगे, इस उम्मीद के साथ उनको भी मैं धन्यवाद देता हूं। इसके अलावा मीडिया, जैसा कि आप लोगों ने देखा, मीडिया, हम लोगों का मीडिया मैनेजमेंट वाज डन बाय टीसीआई विच वाज, मैं कहता हूं अबव पार था। कंपनी का नाम मुझे एग्जैक्ट नहीं याद है। दे वर डूइंग गुड जॉब। कई अखबार, कई जगह, कई टीवी चैनल्स लोगों ने कवर करवाए, जिसकी वो रिपोर्ट लगातार भेज रहे थे। पिछले 1 महीने से मैं साइंटिफिक में इतना स्ट्रक्ट था वो देख नहीं पाया हूं, उसका कंपाइलेशन भी वो शायद भेजेंगे। तो उनका मैनेजमेंट काफी अच्छा रहा। ट्रूमेट जो कि आप लोगों को सीडी प्रोवाइड करेगा, ट्रूमेट ने भी अपना काम काफी अच्छे तरीके से किया। उसके लिए मैं ट्रूमेट का डिजिटलाइजेशन ऑफ द कॉन्फ्रेंस के लिए धन्यवाद देता हूं। ऑडियो विजुअल, अभिषेक, they have done a wonderful job. This watch out was a new thing which has come up in IOCON this time. ये watch out में आप जो changes देख रहे हैं लगातार आ पा रहे हैं, these are the grower group of company जिनका मैं धन्यवाद देता हूं। अभिषेक सिंगल, इस जीएसके जो फैब्रिकेटर, जो इन लोगों ने पूरा फैब्रिकेशन ट्रेड एरिया का किया, उनका भी मैं धन्यवाद देता हूं। कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स वहां आई मुझे पता चला, मगर मोर और लेस सारी प्रॉब्लम सॉर्ट आउट कर दी गई। इसके अलावा ट्रेड पार्टनर्स को जो कुछ परेशानियां आई हैं वो आगे आने वाले टाइम में सॉल्व करेंगे। कुछ चीजें जो मेरी जिद की वजह से रह गई हैं उसके लिए मैं तहे दिल से मैं इस बात का दुख प्रकट करता हूं। पूरा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक करने के चक्कर में मैंने कुछ चीजें इलेक्ट्रॉनिक पे रखने की वजह से सर्टिफिकेट को भी ऑन साइट प्रिंटिंग के ऊपर ले जाने की कोशिश करी थी, जो प्रिंट नहीं हो पाया। उसके लिए मैं आपसे क्षमा प्रार्थी हूं। तो सब चीजें मैं आप लोगों को भेजूंगा, बट दैट पीडीएफ विल बी सेंड इन 1 or 2 days। बाकी जो सर्टिफिकेट प्रिंटेड चाहेंगे उनको मैं यहां से कोरियर करूंगा। इसके अलावा मैं आप सब लोगों का धन्यवाद देता हूं जो डेलीगेट दूर दूर से यहां पे आए और होटलों के रेट ज्यादा होते हुए भी मुझको उसके लिए माफ किया। धन्यवाद। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Now, we'll like to present a memento from the IOA to the organizing secretary. I think I'll request Dr. Maria to join me.
मैं इस को रिसीव करने के लिए चाहूंगा कि मेरी पूरी टीम अगर यहां आ जाए तो उसका मैं धन्यवाद देता हूं। एडवाइजर प्रोफेसर साहू, ऑल ऑफ यू। और मैं इस बात की क्षमा चाहता हूं कि मैं घर जा नहीं पाया, इसलिए ड्रेस में नहीं आ पाया हूं। प्लीज कम ऑन द डायस to take away this gift. Our PCO partners, Ashish, Manish and all, kindly come to the dais to take this.
All members of Agra Orthopedic Society.
Agra Orthopedic Society members.
Can we have you all here?
Amit sir को भी ले आओ।
Three cheers for Agra Orthopedic Society. Hip. Hip hip. Hip hip.
Before Dr. Sudhir Kapoor proceeds with the further agenda, Dr. Sudhir Kapoor proceeds with the further agenda, I have just 2 lines to say. किलों को जीतने में हम नहीं कायल, किलों को जीतने के हम नहीं कायल, दिलों को जीतने में सुकून मिलता है।
क्या बात है, क्या बात है, बहुत खूब। आपको अपने लगता है। Now we'll come to the most important agenda of the day, change of guard. We'll change this. चलो एक फोटो बैठ जाओ, उसके बाद सीट उसके बाद सीट बदल, उसके बाद सीट भी बदल
संजय बंद करो
समझे? बाद में करते हैं। गुंजन
नहीं, फोटो लेनी बेटे। For the next change of guard, I'll request Dr. Maria to exchange. I will request him to change the seats, and Dr. Maria now gets the medallion of past president.
Placards. Gunjan.
चलो, किसको announce करना है? गिफ्ट announce करना है? Before I invite Dr. Jain to speak, Agra Orthopedic Society wants to give a memento to the new president also.
पांच ताजमहल
क्या बात, क्या बात।
हमारी तो है, अगर आप चाहें लेकिन कमरा में हाँ नो को बोलिए।
Thank you, Sanjay. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you for joining here.
Now I'll request Dr. Jain to say something as a new president. Ajay sir, आपको मर्जी, मेरा भी विश।
Dignitaries on the dais, my teachers, seniors and friends. First of all, thank you very much indeed for giving me this opportunity. And particularly, thanks to my mentors. Some of them are sitting here. Well, Sanjeev said the same thing last year, and I'm here again to repeat the same thing. The Dr. Tuli must be very happy in this audience that 3 positions out of the top 5 in IUA belongs to his students.
Regarding the working in the times to come, I had already noted the suggestions by Dr. Pruthi, and I think this kind of a good suggestions can only come from a person of his stature and his team. And we have already noted, and we assure you that in a month's time we are going to fix this issue. Well, friends, President as a person is one person and is 1 year. Well, it's too small a time in the life of an association. Cannot make a change by himself, but certainly can think about beginning of a change. And I assure you that you will not find me wanting on this front. Well, any association is a movement, and if all of us join a movement for the change, then a perceptible change will certainly come. Because I firmly believe that it is only together we can make a change and we can attain a big height. And I appeal to all of you, to all members, join hand, contribute your bit. That bit may be too small, but when the bits of 10,000 members joins together, it will make a perceptible change in our bigger goal in providing an optimum orthopedic care to one and all. Friends, we have to look after 1300 million human beings living in this country, and let us take a pledge that for this objective we will contribute our bit wherever we are. And I appeal to all of you. Well, I will not request Sanjeev to help me for the next year, but I know that he is going to help next year, and everyone is going to next year, because we all who have just completed terms or who have completed term a year before or who are likely to come, all thinking group are committed to this bigger objective, and we are definitely work for the bigger cause. So thank you very much indeed for patient hearing, and thank you very much indeed for serving the mother organization. Thank you indeed.
I'll request you to stay for a minute, Dr. Jain. I'll request you to stay for a minute, because the PGs who have won the quiz, they'll be given certificates. I announce their name and they can come and receive the certificate from the new president. First position goes to Gujarat, Dr. Yash Bharat Shah and Dr. Shardul Madhav Suman.
I would request Dr. Kapoor and Dr. Mare also to join.
Dr. Yash is there? No, sir. Yash is not there. Dr. Shardul, please. Second prize goes to Haryana, and the winners are Abdul Majumdar and Rita Duthi Mukhopadhyay. Both are there? Haryana was the first runner-up. The second runner-up is Karnataka. Dr. S. Subhimik Ghosh and Dr. Atul Bandi. If they are here, they can come here. They don't seem to be here, so we'll send the certificates to them. Thank you, sir. We have to announce the results of the other competitions. A Mehta gold medal has been won by Dr. Devendra Agraharam. Dr. P.T. Rao gold medal has been won by Dr. Suraj Bansal. Dr. S.S. Yadav gold medal, Dr. Chaitanya Devilal. Dr. Joy Patankar gold medal, Dr. Gauri Shankar Sarvanatha Murthy. Dr. D.P. Bakshi gold medal, Dr. Saurabh Chachan. Dr. S.P. Mandal gold medal by Ashok Sham, Dr. Ashok Sham. Dr. R.C. Dalal gold medal by Dr. Ramesh Perumal. Dr. K.D. Dolakia gold medal has been won by Dr. Subhranshu Mohanty. And Dr. K.P. Srivastava gold medal for the best paper has been won by Dr. S. Das.